What is going on, guys? It is your boy Fat Boy, aka Fat Boy Sneakers. Welcome to another video. I can't remember the last time I ever uploaded a video like this, but I am super excited to finally upload it. So yesterday after I came home from work, I came home to some packages. And what are those packages? Well, I'm pretty sure you can tell by the title of the video. I got myself a Beard Club growth kit, which I cannot wait any longer and open it up. And as you can tell, I am trying to grow out my beard. Right now it's looking terrible. It's been about, I would say, like a week and a half since I last shaved. Yeah, it's pretty patchy right here and ugly, and it looks terrible, which I think is the best scenario to test out this beard growth kit. So here's the package. So it did come with 2 boxes. So I got the ultimate growth kit. So it comes with 2 boxes. It comes with a trimmer and it comes with all the goodies that I'm about to show you. So the first box we're gonna open has all the things you need to grow your beard. So on the front it says, it's a good day when you find a Beard Club box in your doorstep, which it is true. It was a very good day yesterday. The reason why is because I ordered it and they told me it was gonna come the 15th. The 15th came and they told me it was gonna come the 20th. So they had me wait an extra 5 days, which definitely got me anxious because I wanted it ASAP. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and open it and see what's in here. Okay. Right off the bat, this is what comes in the box, as you can kind of tell. Oh, okay. Right off the bat, we know it comes with a brush. I guess it's to brush your beard. Guys, this is my first time ever ordering something like this, so I honestly have no idea what any of these things do, but we're gonna review them one by one. So first, the brush, I am assuming is to brush your beard once it becomes a little bit more fluffy, right? Next thing I noticed is a Derma Roller cleansing spray, which the Derma Roller should be right here. There it is. This is the Derma Roller. It comes with, it says, roll to a better looking beard. 540 titanium coated micro needles that give your beard a boost and promote healthier skin so your beard can grow in. It has a QR code so you guys can scan it. I guess I'll show you a video demonstration on how it works and how you're supposed to do it. 5 times horizontal and then some other ways. This I cannot wait to use. I heard it helps a lot. And that's your cleansing spray for it. So I'm guessing it's to clean it before you use it and after you use it. There's a beard growth oil, which I am guessing obviously you apply to grow your beard. So I guess you just put the oil in and okay. Loki, I kind of want to smell it. It smells pretty minty. Next, you got the growth vitamins. Vanilla flavored capsules, 60 capsules in this. Instructions, take 2 capsules daily, first thing in the morning or at night. Can be taken with or without meals. Keep out of reach of children. Do not use if safety seal is damaged or missing. So yeah, the vitamins pretty self-explanatory. They're just, you know, to help grow a nice looking beard. Next, we got the beard growth vitamin spray. And the spray apparently has topical ingredients that promote healthy skin and hair. So I'm guessing all of these, they're kind of go together, so you have to use them at the same time, I guess. I should have definitely done more research. And then we have a beard shampoo. The shampoo, obviously everybody knows what shampoo does. Cleans and hydrates your beard while leaving behind the natural oils your mane needs to thrive. Ooh, I want to smell this too. Damn, that smells so good. Okay. So we have in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items so far. Then we have a travel bag that it comes with. So if you go on the road or travel a lot, it has a little travel bag that should fit everything, to be honest. Then this kit also came with its own trimmer, the Beard Club Precision Trimmer PT45. It is a fancy ass box. We're gonna go ahead and open this. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and open this. All right, open this up. Oh, damn. So let's read the back. 3-hour battery life, powerful 7,000 RPM motor, travel lock feature, LED battery life display, titanium coated blades, elegant charging stand. It comes with 8 trimmer guides, so 45 trim links. Look at that. Fancy, smanchy stuff. This is the actual trimmer. Damn, this shit is huge. This thing is thick as hell. This thing is super thick. Kind of just, I want to test it out on something. Okay. Oh, it comes with a nice little stand. Look at that. Oh, that's the charger. Oh, this is the charger. Okay. It's a charging stand. So the cable connects in the back here and you just stand it like that and it just charges. Meet your beard, new best friend. Oh, damn. So here are all the clips. I'm gonna just grab them. These are all the different clips it comes with. It comes with 8 that you can trim. So you can pick which length you have. It has 8 different lengths, I guess. I don't even know if I'm gonna use all of these. I don't think you need all of these. Probably just a few. I have no idea how short all of these are. I know it says 3mm, 9mm, 16mm, but who the fuck knows how that looks, right? So I guess I gotta play with it and find out which one suits me the best. That's how it works, right? I don't want to shave off. Well, it did cut some hair. Does it look shorter? Okay, so I probably won't play with this too much right now. I'll do more research on it before I shave my whole my little patchy beard. On the other side is just the cable and the charger, so nothing crazy, but this is actually pretty cool. By the way, the price for all of this came out to $80. I got it on a special. I'm not sure if they're always running that special. You know how marketing is, just kind of tell people you're running a special, but you're not really running a special because that's just the average price, or the regular price is always this. But on the site it said that the regular price was like $100 and something, 120, but I got it for $80 plus shipping and handling. I think it came out to like $85. On the trimmer, it actually has a little book. I thought this was like an instruction manual. Well, it kind of is, but it also shows you what beard styles you can have. So here are the different types of beards you can have. Right there, which one you want and how to get that, I'm assuming. Full beard, circle beard, mouton chops, classic goatee. That is pretty cool. My goal is to get a full beard and then go from there. I feel like once you have a full beard, you can pretty much do whatever after that. This was just kind of an unboxing slash review. I'm gonna go ahead and update a video in a month from now. So right now it is September 21st. So in October 21st, I'm gonna upload another video showing you how all of this stuff worked, or if it worked, how it has been for me, how good it's been. I can't wait. Most of these things are self-explanatory on how to use them. Yeah, these are gonna be my best friends for the next month. The trimmer, the whole kit, hopefully the brush. I think the brush is kind of like a thing you use towards the end once your beard is all nice and grown out. So you kind of just, I'll show you guys a little close-up right now. So I have this to patch in, which I'm hoping the Derma roller helps with the vitamins and all of that stuff. I want to patch this, maybe this a little bit. Definitely down here, you see I have little small patches here and there that I need to fill in. I know this is something never done in my channel before. I think my channel has been it's been through a journey, right? Everything I kind of get into, whether it's shoes, cars, clothes, growing my beard, it's just me. Like, my channel is just me. It's not dedicated to one specific thing. It's just things that I'm going through in life, things I'm experimenting with in life, and I really, really do enjoy that. So this is another experiment of mine. It's another thing I want to get into. Definitely grow out my beard and see how it looks and see how it goes. If anything, I can just shave it off if, you know, it doesn't work out, but I'm pretty sure it will. Just to let you guys know, the next video you guys see me in a month from now, my beard is gonna be looking scrumptious. It's gonna be looking full. It's gonna be looking like a fucking warrior. Okay, like a fucking warrior that I am. You won't even recognize me. I'm gonna be ripped. I'm gonna have a beard. But yeah, now up to you guys whenever that happens. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know this was just a random video, to be honest. Your boy Fat Boy, aka Fat Boy Sneakers, is out. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Be ripped out with a fucking beard. I'm gonna have a fucking beard, man. A fucking beard. Get out of here.
While doing big tricks, big bitch, I'ma spin her like a kickflip. I got big chips, fuck around and make your bitch dip. 24 hours of the day,